Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 132. During the winter months, the committee of our institute organize a number of lectures, at each of which there is, as chairman, a well-known representative of local industries. Some of the committee are in favor of having subjects which allow only of one style of treatment. Our late secretary resigned because he thought that the committee neglected good opportunities of enlightening the public on some debatable topics which were discoursed upon by irresponsible individuals, somewhat ill informed, and who were interested in the propagation of certain principles without any regard for the sensibilities of others. We regret that he should have thus relinquished duties which he had performed in a most disinterested manner, and we certainly think that such topics will have to be incorporated in our program, or we shall be guilty of a serious negligence and lose a connection which may be irrecoverable. Full stop.